Our approach goes beyond skills training. It's about innovation and excellence. We implement best practices that ensure programs are effective, inclusive, and aligned with TESDA and MHTA standards. So by working closely with technical vocational institutions and other stakeholders, we foster a culture of innovation to meet the evolving needs of our community.
Our partnership with TSD Lanao del Sur has been a foundation for innovation. By combining our resources and expertise, we've created programs that not only comply with TESDA standards, but also respond directly to the needs of our communities. With this strong collaboration is what makes our implementation successful.
In support to the provincial office, we, the TVIs, make sure to attend and participate in the most, if not all, TVET activities around Philippines.
We ensure that every program is implemented with integrity and innovation. By strictly adhering to TESDA guidelines and regularly monitoring training sessions, we maintain the quality and impact of our initiatives. In response to the PO mandates to every TVI, which is to provide quality TVET training delivery, part of our initiative in Mantra is to exceed the minimum requirement in terms of providing high-end or industry type of tools and equipment as part of hands-on experience of our trainees, so that when they graduate, we can ensure that they are workplace ready graduates.
Aside from that, the trainers development programs of TSD Lanao del Sur Provincial Office, we encourage our trainers to attend and enhance their skills for them to provide quality and competitive skills training to the Bangsamoro people.
Aside from the quality training provided to the beneficiaries, we also leave significant output in every training in the community, like tile setting, the madrasa, and masjid, that will benefit the community where the training is conducted.
Maliban po sa skills na naituro nila sa amin, ay nagkaroon kami ng mga output po na nagawa namin during the training. Ay naidunit namin sa mosque, sa office ng aming community. Maraming nakinabang doon sa skills at doon sa mga output na ginawa namin.
One thing that is more important also is, aside from the skills training that we learned, I was also able to see na talagang natuto sila ng maayos, maganda, because they have their output, no? So nakita ko na yung output nila ay quality talaga. Hindi natin masasabi na basta-basta lang siya, no? Timely din siya na yung mga output na yun nila ay magagamit namin. Kasi alam naman natin na bagong lipat ang Marawi City Jail dito sa Marawi City. So ang office namin ay more or less kailangan talaga namin ng tables and yung rostrum. At saka yung output din ng tile setting, ang ganda.
Upama na did malapis ang koto kaya ubipirar kami, did malapis o kaya pakapadamiron, amiyapad kami ko programa at MBHT, TSD.
Dito po sa amin sa TSD Lanao del Sur, sinisigurado at ginagawa namin ang lahat ng aming makakaya para kasama ang lahat.
TSD Lanao!
Sa TSD Lanao! Sa TSD Lanao! Sa TSD Lanao!
Sa TSD Lanao! Sa TSD Lanao! Sa TSD Lanao!
Kasama ka!
Kasama ka! Kasama ka! Kasama ka!
Kasama ka!
Kasama ka!
Kasama ka!
TSD Lanao, kasama ka.